Hi folks, welcome to High End Cheap Tech, and today we have our unboxing video of the new Mobil G3. So we're going to get to that rather quickly just because I don't want to waste a bunch of video editing time trying to get this thing just right. But we should be good. We're using a number of different lights, so I might look a little washed out. Sorry about that. Let's get to the video. Let's do the intro. Let's get to it now. Alright folks, Tim here from High End Cheap Tech. As I promised a few days or maybe almost a couple weeks ago, we have some new hardware. We're going to test this out. This is the new Mobil G3. I'm going to turn that over, check out the specs for you. Remember, this is on a there we go, 5.7 inch 2.39 gigahertz octa-core, and 4 gig of RAM, 3000 milliamp battery, and dual SIMs. So we're gonna get to that right now. Let's get this thing out of here, if at all possible, on camera. If not, ignore the loud cursing noises from me. Alright, now I'm going to slide around on that, and we got a pretty nice box there. I'm going to toss that cover to the side. We're going to slide that box off. Now, I've already had this for a few hours. I got it at work today. This is courtesy of Andrew over at AMD Tech. He reviewed it the other day, sent it over to let me do a review. So here we go. So you're not going to see the plastic removal and all the other good stuff. I'll give you the... Okay, you happy? It's got a pretty back. You're not going to see that much in my videos. I don't really care what the back cover looks like. Let's face it, this is the business end. So I already charged it up, but let's show you what comes with it in the box. We have the USB-C charging cable and 2 standard USB. We have a SIM tool in here, and I'll eventually use that when I switch over and try to get this on AT&T. We have the dongle. Yes, this does not come with the headphone jack. And then way down the bottom of the box here, well, not all the way down yet, we've got our charger here. We've got a 5 volt, 2000 milliamp. 2000 milliamps is 2 amps for those of you who don't know how to do the math. Trust me on that. Alright, so I'm going to kind of just get all this stuff out of the way. And it comes with a TPU case. That back cover, as everyone is fond of saying, is a fingerprint magnet. So what you're going to do when you get one of these puppies is you're going to figure out which way it goes on here. You're going to slide it in where your buttons line up first, and then pop it in place like I just did. Get it on there nice and secure, all the corners, and guess what? Yeah, you can now maybe drop it once or twice. I would still go out and get a real case. Now, it's a little dirty on the front. I've been using it. That's neither here nor there. I'm getting rid of all my boxes out of my way, all those accessories, so we can look at the phone. Now let's fire it up and check out the display. I have set this up previously, so we'll wait for it to go through its little boot up cycle here, which is pretty quick. It's a pretty snappy little phone. It fits perfectly in my hand. Get my finger right there for the power button. Now, I've already set it up, as I said, at work. You know, it's kind of not fair, but sorry, I had to get something done today. On the back, we got our fingerprint reader, and let's check. Yeah, it opens just that quick. And yes, folks, this is a stellar display. Very bright. Just really good. And snappy, quick. There's all the stuff in our tray. And I've installed a bunch of apps for testing and other things. But there's a lot of room left on this, right around 54 gig. It's a 64 gig storage on here. And I'm wondering, when I did the unbox, what happened to all the stuff? The paperwork in. Maybe I didn't put it back in. That's okay. It does come with a little startup guide and some other info, which will tell you how to use either the dual SIM or set it up with a micro SD card and a single nano SIM. So, all that being said, I'm going to cut away for a minute, get around Wi-Fi all the way, make sure it's working, install a couple apps, and show you one benchmark. And that's going to be it for the unboxing. So far, I'm pretty impressed with this. I'm going to have to play with it for several hours. So I'll come back with a follow-up either late tonight or tomorrow morning. Saturday, it's my day to do videos. So, let's leave it at that. Sorry I keep hitting the gooseneck here. But, well, let's at least check a few things like Chrome. Let's open Chrome up, and there is my website, tabletserver.com. As you can see, loads up pretty quick, scrolls right through. I don't know what else I've got on this open right now. Oh, alright, YouTube up here. I just turned it off before the unboxing, so these were all open already. Pretty snappy. This is a great phone, folks. First impression. I am not going to tell you more than that right now. Let's just leave it at that. And in the next segment, I'll show you the Geekbench differences between this and the phone we're filming this on. And by the way, the intro that came up before this will have been shot using this. So we'll see how that works out. So thanks for watching, and I'll put some links in the corners to some other videos. Please subscribe, share this, like it if you liked it, and stay tuned for more. Alright, second segment. As I pointed out, the device does come with a little bit of paperwork, a couple of, like a thank you card and a request to do a review on Amazon. And as you can see here on the first page, Tells you how to lay out if you want to put in 2 micro SIMs or a micro SD card or nano SIMs and a micro SIM and a nano SIM. So yeah, I found them. I had set them aside when I had to redo the video because it came up in portrait mode. We don't know why. So we're going to check a couple of things out here. Let's check the speakers on this puppy. So we're going to hit our fingerprint reader here, which is really quick. I'm really surprised. Now we're going to play a video. It's loud. It's considerably better than the Blue Studio. And then last but not least, I'm going to show you a screenshot here, a Geekbench comparison, and what you'll be able to see here is, let's look, yeah, twice as much Geekbench score as on the Blue Studio, which was well expected. Octa-core, quad-core. Like I said, for $200, you can't beat it. I've been using this Blue Studio, which we're shooting on still, so keep that in mind, for a long time. So, this phone, folks, as far as I'm concerned, is a winner so far. As I stated earlier, like the video, subscribe to our channel. There will be follow-ups long term. We're going to make sure that this works. I'm going to use this every day at work to shoot videos. So that's all I have for tonight. And by the time I get this all edited together, it'll probably be 11 p.m. We'll see. Y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching the whole thing. Check the links in the description below for Andrew's channel. You're going to want to watch his unbox video and review. It's going to totally blow away mine production wise. But the whole point here is to give you information, not to show you pretty videos. So with that being said, have a great night. Bye.